So it's the first week of 2023 and I'm out of my studio here at the beach. And today I thought of sharing with you guys 5 most crucial things that I've learned over the years in my journey of being a commercial photographer that have really helped me in my career. And the first thing is that different people excel in different environments. Okay. So, like I've worked with so many different clients in different situations, and along this journey, I've met a lot of photographers. And what I've learned is that there are people who excel in e commerce only. Like they would create these beautiful images, shoot in bulk, and work for really good clients. Then there are people who love working in smaller teams with smaller productions, creating beautiful work. Then there are people who love working alone, all by themselves, okay? And then there are people who love working with, bigger productions, bigger teams, bigger clients. So, and all of them make, equally good money. Like all of them are having a good life. So I'm not saying anything is right or wrong. बहुत बार मैंने ऐसा देखा है कि लोग दूसरे फोटोग्राफर्स को देख करके ये कोशिश करते हैं कि वो भी वैसा ही काम करें या उसी तरह से काम करें, राइट? So they just try and imitate the workflow of other photographers. Okay. So, and please keep this in mind that different people are in different circumstances, are in different circles. Okay. So their life is different. So don't try and copy what others are doing. Just find out an environment where you think you can excel and follow that path. Now the second thing is that to achieve anything big in life, all you need to do is start taking small steps towards the goal, right? So, those of you who are into trekking will understand, जैसे होता है ना जब हम बेस कैंप पे होते हैं और वहाँ से अगर आप समिट को देखो तो लगता है यार कितना दूर है वो, कैसे पहुँचेंगे वहाँ तक, या ये जो गोल हमने सेट किया है कितना बड़ा गोल है, कैसे मिलेगा ये. So all you need to do is just start taking small steps towards the summit. और होता क्या है, आप छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लेके आप चलते जाते हो and within no time you reach the summit. And when you look back at the base camp, then you realize यार इतना डिस्टेंस मैंने कवर कैसे किया, because it seems so far. Life is like that. So अगर आपके सामने कोई भी बड़ा टास्क है या आपने कोई अपना गोल सेट किया है जो देखने में लगता है बहुत बड़ा है, ये कैसे हो पाएगा, उसके बारे में सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. All you need to do is just start taking small steps towards the goal. So the third thing that I've realized is if you have the clarity, you don't need courage, right? Because motivation से सारे काम नहीं होते हैं. I mean, if you have the motivation, how long will it last? Maybe a day, a week, or at max a month. उसके बाद you need discipline, some sort of a routine you need in your life to get things done, right? It's all about the consistency. So try and make a routine and a discipline that you follow every single day to achieve your goals. So the fourth thing is that stop planning and start doing, okay? So, guys, for a long time I used to think that I can plan everything to the last detail before even executing that task, right? And it never works like that. Because क्या होता है कि जब तक आप वो काम शुरू नहीं करोगे, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि क्या hurdles आने वाले हैं, क्या difficulties आने वाली है और उनका solution क्या होगा, right? So the best way is just to get started and along the way figure out the solutions to the problems and keep moving forward, right? So that is how you get the job done. So the fifth and the last one, guys, of course, is good health. And as they say, health is wealth, which is so true. So if you maintain a good health, there'll be an ease of doing things in life. So do exercise on a regular basis, whatever it is that you guys love, be it running, swimming, cycling, trekking, hiking, whatever it is, but just do it on a regular basis and maintain a good health. So on that note, guys, I wish you all the very best for your photography journey in 2023, and I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Cheers.